Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of diabetic-friendly diets. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply looking to adopt a healthier lifestyle, the foods we eat play a crucial role. So, let's explore the top 10 foods that can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels and promote overall health. Berries. Starting off strong with berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for satisfying your sweet tooth without causing spikes in blood sugar levels. Leafy greens. Next up, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K+. They're low in carbohydrates and calories, making them an ideal choice for keeping your blood sugar in check. Whole grains. When it comes to grains, opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats instead of refined grains. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to maintain steady energy levels. Lean protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, but not all sources are created equal. Choose lean protein options such as skinless chicken breast, fish, tofu, and legumes to keep your meals balanced and blood sugar levels stable. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Incorporating almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds into your diet can help improve insulin sensitivity and promote heart health. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and calcium with fewer carbohydrates compared to traditional yogurt. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own toppings like fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Avocado. Avocado is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be added to salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed on their own. Cinnamon. Spice up your meals with cinnamon. Not only does cinnamon add flavor without extra calories, but it may also improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or even in your morning coffee for a tasty kick. Sweet potatoes. Swap out white potatoes for sweet potatoes to boost your nutrient intake and keep blood sugar levels stable. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a great choice for supporting overall health. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate can be part of a diabetic-friendly diet. Opt for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, which is lower in sugar and higher in antioxidants. Enjoy a square or two as an occasional treat. And there you have it, our top 10 diabetic-friendly foods to incorporate into your diet for a healthier lifestyle. Remember to focus on balance, portion control, and variety to optimize your health journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.